As the nation transitions into a new political era, the aerospace industry finds itself grappling with uncertainty over leadership changes at NASA. The inauguration of the second Trump administration has created confusion regarding the agency's acting leadership, raising concerns about the continuity of critical space missions and initiatives. Reports indicate that the new administration has yet to appoint a permanent NASA administrator, leading to a vacuum of leadership that could impact the agency's ongoing projects and future endeavors. Experts are worried that this lack of clarity may hinder NASA's ability to effectively coordinate with external partners, including private aerospace companies and international space agencies. One industry veteran noted, "Without a clear direction from leadership, it's challenging for teams to align on goals and timelines, which is crucial for mission success." The confusion at NASA comes at a time when the agency is facing significant challenges, including the upcoming Artemis missions aimed at returning humans to the moon and preparing for future Mars exploration. The absence of a stable leadership structure could delay these ambitious projects, which are pivotal for maintaining the United States' position in the global space race. According to a recent report, approximately 60% of NASA employees expressed concern about the agency's future direction in light of the leadership uncertainties. In parallel, the aerospace sector is witnessing advancements in technology, as demonstrated by General Atomics' recent successful tests of nuclear thermal propulsion reactor fuel at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center. These tests represent a significant leap in propulsion technology, which could dramatically reduce travel time for crewed missions to Mars. This innovation underscores the pressing need for effective leadership at NASA to harness such advancements and integrate them into mission planning. Moreover, the agency is also focusing on cybersecurity, particularly as the landscape of space exploration becomes more interconnected with commercial partners. A recent initiative emphasizes the importance of robust cybersecurity measures for spacecraft manufacturers, which is essential for safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring mission integrity. In this context, the lack of decisive leadership at NASA could complicate the implementation of these critical cybersecurity protocols, leaving the agency vulnerable to potential threats. On a more personal note, stories are emerging from within the industry, such as that of a senior student who completed a transformative co-op experience as a rocket engineer at NASA. Such opportunities highlight the importance of mentorship and hands-on experience in fostering the next generation of aerospace engineers. However, the ongoing uncertainty may affect internship and co-op programs, potentially deterring students from pursuing careers in space exploration. As the aerospace community awaits clarity on NASA's leadership, industry stakeholders are calling for immediate action to stabilize the agency's direction. The implications of this confusion extend beyond leadership. They touch on the broader vision for space exploration and the United States' role in it. The coming weeks will be crucial as the new administration solidifies its approach to NASA, with the hope that it will embrace innovation and collaboration to propel the agency and the nation forward in the realm of space exploration. The future remains uncertain, but the urgency of a cohesive plan has never been greater. In a remarkable turn of events for the space community, the recent release of photos featuring two astronauts stranded aboard the International Space Station (ISS) has sparked significant health concerns. The images, which depict the astronauts in a precarious situation during a rare spacewalk, have raised alarms about the potential dangers they may face in the unforgiving environment of space. On January 20, 2025, news outlets reported on the astronauts' predicament, with experts emphasizing the physical and psychological challenges that come with extended exposure to microgravity. Astronauts are trained to handle emergencies, but the effects of being stranded can take a toll on mental well-being, noted Dr. Emily Roberts, a space psychologist. The isolation and pressure can lead to anxiety and stress, impacting their ability to perform critical tasks. The recent spacewalk was initially intended to carry out routine maintenance on the ISS, but unforeseen complications left the astronauts with limited resources. This situation prompted a wave of concern among the scientific community as experts began to analyze the potential health implications of prolonged space exposure. According to NASA, astronauts typically undergo rigorous training to prepare for such scenarios. Yet the psychological strain of being stranded poses an unprecedented risk. Furthermore, the photos released have not only highlighted the astronauts' plight but also served as a grim reminder of the inherent risks of space exploration. As the world watches, discussions have surfaced regarding the need for improved contingency plans for astronauts. It's essential that we learn from this situation to enhance the safety protocols for future missions, stated astronaut Don Pettit, who recently demonstrated how to change a Nikon Z9 lens in zero gravity aboard the ISS. Every mission teaches us something new about what it means to operate in space. In light of these events, NASA plans to conduct 2 spacewalks this month to address maintenance issues that have arisen during the astronauts' time in orbit. These walks will aim not only to enhance the functionality of the ISS but also to provide critical support to the stranded astronauts. The planned activities are seen as a necessary step to mitigate the risks associated with their current situation. As the space community grapples with the implications of this incident, it is clear that the challenges of human spaceflight extend beyond technical difficulties. The physical and mental resilience of astronauts must be prioritized, especially as humanity pushes the boundaries of exploration further into the cosmos. The lessons learned from this experience will undoubtedly influence future missions, providing valuable insights into the complexities of life in space. Looking ahead, the anticipation surrounding the upcoming spacewalks is palpable. These operations will not only serve to restore functionality to the ISS but may also provide critical data on how astronauts cope with the stresses of being in a confined and isolated environment. As researchers and space agencies continue to evaluate the situation, the hope remains that such challenges can be effectively addressed, paving the way for safer and more sustainable human exploration of space. In a remarkable demonstration of human ingenuity and adaptability, NASA astronaut Don Pettit recently showcased how to change a Nikon Z9 lens in the weightlessness of the International Space Station (ISS). This unique instructional video not only highlights the versatility of modern technology but also underscores the challenges astronauts face while conducting everyday tasks in a zero-gravity environment. The Nikon Z9, a flagship mirrorless camera, has gained popularity among both amateur and professional photographers for its advanced features. However, performing even simple tasks such as lens changes becomes an intricate dance in the absence of gravity. In a captivating demonstration, Pettit explained the meticulous steps required to ensure that the lens is securely attached while preventing any potential contamination from floating debris. Working with cameras in space is quite different from Earth, Pettit remarked. Every action has to be precise because any loose item can become a floating hazard. His experience on the ISS is invaluable, as it combines technical expertise with the practical realities of life aboard a spacecraft. The video served not just as a tutorial but as a reminder of the careful planning and execution necessary for making the most of the equipment available to astronauts. The implications of Pettit's demonstration extend beyond photography. It provides insights into the broader challenges faced by astronauts, particularly in maintaining equipment and carrying out scientific research. In the unique environment of space where even the smallest task can have significant repercussions, the ability to adapt is crucial. As NASA continues to explore the cosmos, such demonstrations will be vital for future missions, particularly as the agency prepares for more ambitious projects like lunar and Martian exploration. Moreover, Pettit's tutorial comes at a time when space missions are becoming increasingly complex, with astronauts spending extended periods aboard the ISS. The need for effective maintenance of equipment becomes paramount. The ability to perform tasks that are routine on Earth, such as changing camera lenses or repairing instruments, can greatly enhance mission success and scientific output. Looking ahead, the future of space exploration holds exciting possibilities. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that astronauts will have access to even more sophisticated tools and equipment. NASA's ongoing commitment to innovation and safety will be essential in ensuring that astronauts are well prepared for the challenges of space. Furthermore, as commercial space travel becomes a reality, the lessons learned from Pettit's demonstration will be instrumental in training future astronauts and space tourists alike. In conclusion, Don Pettit's lens-changing tutorial aboard the ISS serves as a testament to human ingenuity and the spirit of exploration. It reflects not only the challenges of living and working in space but also the continuous pursuit of knowledge and adaptation in the face of adversity. As we look to the stars, stories like these remind us of the intricate dance between technology and human capability that makes space exploration possible. In a significant push for advancing our understanding of life beyond Earth and the physical sciences that underpin space exploration, NASA is calling for proposals in the fields of space biology and physical sciences research. This initiative, announced during a recent town hall meeting, seeks to engage scientists and researchers in groundbreaking studies that could unveil new insights into the fundamental processes of life in extraterrestrial environments. NASA's focus on space biology is particularly timely, as the agency prepares for its ambitious Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and eventually send astronauts to Mars. As part of these efforts, understanding how biological systems respond to the unique conditions of space, such as microgravity and radiation, is crucial for planning long-duration missions. The health and well-being of our astronauts are paramount, and we must understand how space affects biological processes, stated Dr. Jennifer Smith, a leading researcher at NASA's Space Biology Division. Her comments underscore the importance of this research in ensuring mission success and astronaut safety. The call for proposals also highlights the growing recognition of physical sciences in the context of space exploration. Research in this area can lead to advancements in materials science, fluid dynamics, and combustion processes, which are vital for developing technologies that can function effectively in space. According to Dr. Michael Rodriguez, a NASA engineer, innovations in physical sciences can provide solutions to some of the most pressing challenges we face in space travel, from improving life support systems to enhancing propulsion technologies. Proposals submitted in response to this initiative are expected to address key questions around the resilience of life in space, the adaptation of biological systems to alien environments, and the development of new materials that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. The outcomes of this research could significantly impact not only future missions but also enhance our understanding of life on Earth. NASA's announcement comes on the heels of other notable developments within the agency, including the recent recognition of several scientists and engineers who received the Presidential Early Career Awards for Scientists and Engineers. These awards reflect the commitment of the U.S. government to support the next generation of leaders in science and technology, which is critical as we face the challenges of space exploration. As NASA continues to expand its horizons, the intersection of space biology and physical sciences will likely play a pivotal role in shaping the future of human spaceflight. With the upcoming Artemis missions and the prospect of Mars exploration on the horizon, the research funded through this initiative could provide essential insights into sustaining life on other planets and advancing our technological capabilities. The scientific community is watching closely as these developments could unveil transformative discoveries that push the boundaries of what we know about life and the cosmos. In a bold statement that has captured the attention of space enthusiasts and political observers alike, former President Donald Trump has pledged to plant the stars and stripes on Mars. This audacious declaration comes as Trump embarks on a new term in office, where he appears determined to reignite America's ambitions in space exploration, particularly through NASA and commercial partnerships. The announcement, made on January 20, 2025, coincides with a period of uncertainty regarding the leadership at NASA as the Biden administration's transition left the agency without a clear direction. Trump's commitment includes a promise to allocate significant resources for Mars exploration, an effort that could potentially reshape the landscape of space policy in the United States. "We will take our place among the stars," Trump asserted during a press briefing highlighting his administration's intent to return the U.S. to the forefront of interplanetary exploration. This renewed focus on Mars is expected to align closely with initiatives from private sector players, notably SpaceX, led by Elon Musk. The collaboration between government and commercial space entities could herald a new era of innovation and exploration. Musk has previously expressed his vision of establishing a human settlement on Mars, and Trump's pledge could provide the necessary political support and funding to accelerate these ambitions. In an interview, Musk remarked, "With the right leadership and vision, we can make humanity a multiplanetary species." However, the early days of Trump's second administration are not without their challenges. Confusion surrounding NASA's leadership has raised questions about the future of the agency's existing projects and goals. The lack of a confirmed administrator has created a vacuum, complicating efforts to implement a cohesive strategy for lunar and Mars missions. Experts have voiced concerns that without stable leadership, NASA's plans could face significant delays. A former NASA official noted, "The agency needs clear directives and support to navigate the complexities of space exploration." Moreover, Trump's ambitious goals will require substantial investment and public support. Historically, space exploration has seen fluctuating funding levels depending on the political climate and public interest. The prospect of sending humans to Mars is not just a technical challenge, it also necessitates a robust infrastructure, international cooperation, and sustained financial commitment from the government. Analysts suggest that Trump's success in this endeavor will depend on his ability to garner bipartisan support and secure a budget that reflects the urgency of these missions. As the world watches closely, the trajectory of U.S. space policy will undoubtedly influence global space exploration dynamics. Countries such as China and Russia are also ramping up their own Mars missions. An increased competition may drive innovation but also necessitate collaborative efforts to address shared challenges. As Trump seeks to reclaim America's leadership in this arena, the stakes are high, not only for national pride but for the future of mankind's presence beyond Earth. Looking ahead, the coming months will be critical for the Trump administration as it establishes its vision for NASA and outlines a strategic plan for Mars exploration. The potential for groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements remains vast, but success will hinge on decisive action and clear leadership. As the stars beckon, the world waits to see how America will respond to the challenge of becoming a true interplanetary nation in the rapidly evolving landscape of space exploration. The recent advancements in communication technology and astronaut gear have captured the attention of both scientists and enthusiasts alike. As NASA's Artemis missions gear up to return humans to the Moon, there are pressing challenges to address, particularly concerning the equipment that astronauts will need to thrive under harsh conditions. This focus on both technology and practical gear signifies an exciting yet challenging era in lunar exploration. The Lunar Laser Communications Demonstration (LLCD) is a pivotal project designed to enhance data transmission capabilities between the Moon and Earth. Utilizing laser technology, the LLCD aims to revolutionize the way data is sent and received in space. This mission demonstrates the potential for laser communications to significantly increase data rates and improve communication reliability, said a project spokesperson. The implications are significant. By vastly increasing the amount of data transmitted, scientists can obtain more information from lunar missions and improve the efficiency of communications, which is crucial for future explorations, including those planned for Mars. In tandem with advancements in communication technology, there is an urgent need to address the physical challenges faced by astronauts on the lunar surface. Recent reports highlight that the astronauts participating in the Artemis missions will require specially designed boots to withstand the extreme temperatures and terrain of the Moon. With temperatures plummeting to -369 degrees Fahrenheit at night, the current footwear is inadequate for the conditions they will face. The boots must not only provide insulation but also allow for mobility on the lunar surface, which is covered in fine dust and rocky terrain, noted a NASA representative. The combination of advanced communication systems and improved astronaut gear reflects a broader trend in space exploration, the need for adaptive technology that can handle the unique challenges of extraterrestrial environments. As NASA prepares for the upcoming Artemis missions, the focus on research and development in both communication tools and astronaut equipment underscores the agency's commitment to ensuring safe and effective missions. Moreover, the data gathered from the LLCD could pave the way for more sophisticated communications systems on future Mars missions where the distance and conditions present even greater challenges. The integration of enhanced communication technologies will also support international collaborations, enabling better coordination between various space agencies as they push the boundaries of human exploration. With Artemis I successfully completing its mission, the focus now shifts to the next phases of the program, which will involve human landings on the Moon and the establishment of a sustainable lunar presence. As these missions progress, the lessons learned from the LLCD and the development of specialized astronaut gear will be crucial in shaping the future of human spaceflight. In conclusion, as humanity stands on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the advancements in lunar laser communications and astronaut equipment are not just technical upgrades, they are vital components of our quest to explore beyond Earth. The next few years promise to be transformative, laying the groundwork for not just lunar exploration but for the eventual journey to Mars and beyond. The interplay between technology and human needs will continue to drive innovation, ensuring that as we reach for the stars we are equipped to thrive in the harsh environments we encounter.